your mummy, huh? Where's your mummy? Do I smell like mango? Yeah, you do smell like mango. Hello. Oh, yeah. Do a little dwarf. Do the grow bigger. I'm going for a swim, yeah. I'm going for a swim. Oh, that's great. This is what I like. Wash it over me. Take it off. Yeah, but how about you? That's what I like. Great. I'm gonna come out to the water bit. Come on, already. Let's go surfing. Let's go body surfing. How you doing? Yeah, brown water, like tea, tastes like tea. Could do with a bit of sugar, or stevia or something. But it's alright, they're very nutritious. Come on, let's go. Let's go to the Hub 1 Island. Look at all the moe stingers. There's one, barely alive. There's a couple upside down. Look at them. An invasion of jellyfish. There's another hub there. There's a few dead, washed up. Look at them. Look. Jellyfish galore. Upside down, dead, washed up. There's barely alive, that one. There's a few out there. There's a bit of swimming jellyfish, and they all had it. And this is after them. This is the inspector jellyfish. Look at that. Look at that. He sits among the jellyfish. Oh, he's good. He's gracious. But they all did. Yeah, we are looking for the footprints of Charlie, my friend. I've known for many years when I was working with Hollywood in the US. He's obviously on holiday somewhere else, I can see that. Hey Charlie, are you around somewhere? Come on, we used to have a lot of laughter. We used to laugh about bloody everything. That was just what I wanted. I need somebody to smile at and have a good laugh. You just don't know what it's like to be in pension. Yeah, I'm not getting much pension fund nowadays, but I make do. I get by. As long as there's Studi Woodsy making me laugh. That's all I need. Studi Woods, you're the new Charlie. Yeah, Dizzy, I know what you mean. You always fantasize. But that's your right, isn't it? Be a hermit living over there. Not anymore. They removed all the plastics, all the conveniences, all the things that I liked. Now there's nobody living there. Well, that's how it is. One day lucky, the next you have to go.